Good morning. It's a rainy day out in the bush. Today I'm going to show you these potting bags. Right there. And I've been real happy with them. You know, permanently, like, will they last years and years? No. Will they probably last till they're ready to put in the ground? Definitely. Okay, so I'm going to open these. I've been using these in the Viva Sun. I'll put the links in the description. And they're vacuum packed. Okay, and these are the 5-gallon bags. So I got 5 and 7. And open them up. And this is what you get. So they're pretty nice bags. I think for what I'm doing, and if I want to do seeds, they're perfect. So there's the 5-gallon right there, and they come with the markers. Open up the 7-gallon, see how much bigger they are. The bag's vacuum sealed. Well, I think that's a pretty big difference. Maybe I'll get you a side shot and show you, but I mean, this bag fits inside. And then some. You got about an inch higher. Okay, so there you go. That's the Gardzen 7-gallon grow bag. I'll have the link in the description. They come 10 to a package, and believe me, you do go through all 10 very quick.